How to deposit money in Rainbet. I will walk you through the full process step by step so you can fund your account fast. So make sure to like and subscribe to support the channel. Step 1. Open the Rainbet website or app and log into your account. Step 2. Go to the wallet or cashier section from the main menu. Step 3. Tap deposit and then select your payment method such as crypto, Bitcoin, Gcash, bank transfer. Step 4. Enter the amount that you want to deposit and then double-check limits or fees listed. Step 5. Follow the instruction based on your chosen payment method. For Gcash, scan the QR or enter the number. For crypto, copy the wallet address and send from your wallet. Step 6. Once done, your balance should now reflect the deposit within a few minutes, depending on the method that you used. And that's it. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.